Hello everyone, this is Paul Harvey from TradeAlgo, where we harness the power of advanced computing and elite artificial intelligence to give you an edge in the stock market. Our focus is going to be on dark pools, the hidden trading arenas of big banks, institutions, and hedge funds. These are places where significant trades can happen away from the public eyes, often leaving the retail traders scrambling, but not anymore. Here at TradeAlgo, we are all about leveling the playing field. Our cutting edge AI is going to sift through massive amounts of data in real time, monitoring the large, medium, and small cap stocks of the stock market and both the trending up and trending down sides of the equation. Now, we had a very special day today. Today was earnings for some large tech companies. We had Meta, which is Facebook, announced their earnings today. So this morning, we're going to look at TradeAlgo's dashboard. We're going to go right back here to the morning time of TradeAlgo.com. So we're not live. This is right here in the morning. We see Meta pop up here with the most institutional activity on the dashboard. Depending on how you look at this, this would be number one. We see Meta right here with 765% institutional activity. There's no wonder this massive $1 trillion stock goes up 5% as a result. We're going to go right here to the Trade Algo alerts page because speed and transparency are key. When you're looking for a trading opportunity, when you guys get in is absolutely the most important part. So we're going to go here. We're going to take a look at exactly what time TradeAlgo is going to recognize Meta and put it on the dashboard. We see right here at 9:35 in the morning with over 3.8 times the institutional activity at 9:35 in the morning. When you know a company like this is going to be announcing earnings today and you have an alert coming through here at 9:35 in the morning that the stock is trading 3 times more than average, we're going to go right here and we're going to Google what time do Meta earnings come out. We see here that Meta earnings were announced at 2 p.m. Pacific time, which is 5 p.m. Eastern. Guys, this is going to be at 9:35 in the morning Eastern, and then you're going to have the other end, which is the earnings when the earnings are reported here at 2 p.m. So we're going to go right back here. We can take a look at Facebook earnings and see how this stock went absolutely parabolic while the market was open today. So we'll go here to Meta earnings. We'll see how this thing has absolutely skyrocketed today after earnings. We saw that it went up 20% today after earnings were announced. So a phenomenal day for Meta, and that's what it's all about, guys, is utilizing this artificial intelligence and getting in so that you guys aren't chasing stocks when the institutions are trading them. So we'll go right here. We'll take a look at the opportunities you would have had as a trade algo client going here on Meta and seeing a massive amount. We see here $25 billion going into Meta today alone. Here on the 7-day average, there's about 4.16 billion. So if you guys see this as a retail investor, it's about getting in early and utilizing this information and then getting out once you see that it's going to hop right off the TradeAlgo dashboard. It's not up there anymore. It's not a good trade. We'll go to any of these contracts and what you would have done since 9:35 in the morning. We'll go right here to the $65 call, a $465 call. We'll go here to the chart and we'll take a look at your exact entry here utilizing TradeAlgo.com. So you guys aren't going to be able to get in from here to here, but even grabbing this contract at 950 and holding this for a couple hours and utilizing this to make a quick 75% return and a whole lot more depending on what contract you chose. But a quick 75% return based off what institutions are trading is phenomenal. You almost just doubled your money by following a simple alert and knowing that Facebook is going to have earnings today. TradeAlgo is going to make it a whole lot easier for you guys, though. In addition to sending you guys exact alerts on your phone, we are going to be launching, and we already have launched Trade GPT. Trade GPT is going to be phenomenal for any retail investor who is either a beginner or a lifelong investor, someone who's looking for a new strategy. Now, this is a platform you guys can tell anything. You guys will have full access to it here on TradeAlgo.com. You'll see it right here in the top corner of TradeAlgo.com. You guys will just click there. You'll be brought right here to Trade GPT. And we're going to go ahead and ask it a question. We're going to tell Trade GPT, hey, Trade GPT, I have $100,000 to invest. You guys could even tell it $100. It does not have to be 100,000. You could say $100, and I could ask it, and it would go through and it would scan through the entire internet. Now it's going to build me out an investment strategy or a portfolio that gives me my 4 to 6% in returns annually. So this is phenomenal, guys. This is exactly what the banks are in big banks and institutions are going to use to absolutely crush the market. So that way they're going to have the computers doing the trading for them. Now you're going to see here that it's going to give me an answer here. I want the answer to be less complicated. I'm going to just tell it to give me some exact instructions and tell me exactly what to do, and Trade GPT is going to provide that. So they're going to tell me exactly what to do. They're going to tell me to do bond ETFs, dividend stocks, and dividend ETFs. I can ask this about option trades. I can ask this about day trading for stocks in real time. It'll tell me answers in real time. It will give me the best trade to make on Monday morning if I asked it to. And that's the whole point here of utilizing artificial intelligence. We want you guys to be a part of this wave and hop in here. So go ahead, and if you guys are interested, reach out to your TradeAlgo sales rep, and we will be happy to get you and liberate you from the slow information that you're getting right now. Thank you all very much, and have a great night.